This is 505 here on Class 91.3 FM with me, Joshua Kojo Mensah. Let's take a quick flight to Guinea because the military man who ousted Alpha Condé has been sworn into office as transitional president for the country. Let's listen to Mamadi Doumbouya at his investiture today.
Charte de la transition.
Moi, Mamadi Doumbouya, président de la transition, je jure devant le peuple de Guinée de préserver en toute loyauté la souveraineté nationale, de respecter et de faire respecter les dispositions de la charte de la transition, la dignité humaine, les lois et règlements de la République, de remplir mes fonctions dans l'intérêt supérieur de la nation, de consolider les acquis démocratiques, de garantir l'indépendance de la patrie et l'intégrité du territoire national.
So that's Mamadi Doumbouya, and I'm sure that a lot of you are at a loss as to what exactly he was saying in French, and that's why I have my colleague Patrick Ofosuhene to help us translate from French into English what Mamadi Doumbouya said at his investiture. So, Patrick, walk us through exactly what he said in French.
Okay, Joshua, I'm going to paraphrase this for our cherished listeners to understand. And he said, and I quote, "I, Mamadi Doumbouya, the interim president, swear before the people of Guinea to loyally preserve the sovereignty of this nation, to respect and make sure others respect the provisions in the Charter of this transition, human dignity, and the laws of the Republic. I will perform my duties in the utmost interest of the nation, integrate the democracy we have gained, and guarantee the independence of the fatherland and the integrity of the national territory." So that is what he was saying.
So he's committed to the sovereignty of the people's will, i.e. the will of the Guineans, and also to protect the independence of the country. And,
Exactly.
and that's what he's saying. Okay, so that's Patrick Ofosuhene giving us in English what Mamadi Doumbouya said in French. But we also have on the phone lines now Francis Ahovi. He's Executive Secretary for the Global Security for Africa Research and Good Governance, and he has joined us on the phone line. So, Mr. Ahovi, and you're done for the people of Guinea. What does this investiture mean, especially in light of ECOWAS's position on the matter?
Let me see this opportunity and say a very good evening to you yourself and your crew, and also to our listeners. And aussi, j'aimerais dire bonsoir à tout le monde, surtout les peuples de la Guinée. All right, now, as from the one when Alpha Condé was toppled, though we said constantly that we do not support coup d'etat at this contemporary era of democracy, we could see that the Guineans themselves have come together to see that it is high time that they uphold, they abreast with the democracy, where there will be free and fair election, there will be transparency, accountability, where the country will be open to job for the young ones, because Guinea has or is pregnant with so many natural resources that Guinea, as a small country as it is, could not be wallowing in this abject poverty that they have been subjected to by the former leader. Now, as it is, the leader of Junta, or the leader of National Rally and the Development Committee, that the CNRD, who is Colonel Mamadi Doumbouya, today has been sworn in. Yes, he just repeated what he has been saying from the beginning, that they are not there to repeat the errors of the past, whereby they will come just trying to elevate or to take away the plight of the people, the predicament of the people, then they themselves will stick to power. He said that no military, today during his sworn in, he said that no military man will have the chance to stand for any election after the transition. So as we people from the GLOSAC, Global Security for Africa Research and Good Governance, we are solidly behind Mamadi Doumbouya. As I said in my earlier submission, that we cannot put things in hurry now where we don't have any proper blueprint as the ECOWAS wanted to dictate to the people of Guinea. The ECOWAS leaders, they are to mediate, they are to weigh things and see what Guineans were going through before the coup Are they happy about that coup? If they are happy, are they happy about the measures that Doumbouya, who called all the civil society, all the sectors, groupings in Guinea, and they want to build that consensus so that the country will be governed not by only one person as a dictator, by all of them. So we will say that we support that, and we again stand against the decision of ECOWAS that Guinea should hold election in 6 months to come.
Mamadi Doumbouya has actually pledged his unflinching commitment to ensure that the sovereignty of the will of the people of Guinea is actually protected and guarded. How do you see that panning out?
Oh yes, there's how do you call it? Before the rain, just to paraphrase it, you see that the clouds do form. Then we all realize that okay, it's about to rain or not, and we could see that from the infancy. Or we normally say that, how do you call it? The child is the father of the man. Meaning that from the infancy, what people start to do will foretell that in future this is what we will see as a result. If that result is going to be positive or negative, we will see. But from the one when Alpha Condé, who illegally changed the constitution and want to stay in power, when he was toppled, Mamadou Doumbouya, the colonel who came, he said that he's not going to, as I said already, he's not going to stick to power, but they are here to return the Guinea country towards democratic path. And we could see that from the beginning, the opposition leaders, the civil society organization, all of them, they were together and they were trying to put things right so that their country, that was test of development, of employment, that was just harboring nothing but suffering. They said they want to take their country from that path of dictatorship, of autocratic style of governance, from utopianism to what? Democratic style, which every country these days abreast. And we believe strongly that Doumbouya will, in all certainty, do that. But that does not mean that all of us should go and sleep. Power is something. As soon as you be given power, if you could not control yourself, the power will control you. So we will say that this is where we will call on the ECOWAS rather to be actually guiding them, advising them of what exactly to do, but not to put any unnecessary pressure on them so that they will be out of gear. And what I always say that what we are not expecting, then they will try to put Guinea into that.
Monsieur Ahovi, merci beaucoup. So that's Francis Ahovi. He is the Executive Secretary for the Global Security for Africa Research and Good Governance. Let me